Alright, listen up, home cooks. If you're looking to spice up your dinner routine with something absolutely mouth-watering, you've got to try my Stek Salmon recipe. This dish is ridiculously easy, super flavorful, and trust me, it'll make you look like an absolute legend in the kitchen. So, here's what you need. Get yourself a couple of fresh salmon fillets. Go for ones with the skin on. It gets nice and crispy, and that's pure magic. Give them a quick rinse and pat them dry with a bit of kitchen roll. Now, in a little bowl, mix together. Media group. Pouring olive oil into small bowl, olive oil bottle and bowl on kitchen counter. Stoke distribute equally. A good lug of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, some cracked black pepper, and here's my secret, a tiny sprinkle of smoked paprika. Brush this all over your salmon, both sides, but really give the skin some love. Let that marinate for about 10 minutes while you get your pan ready. Right? Get your frying pan on medium-high heat. Non-stick is perfect, but if you got a cast iron pan, even better. Once it's hot, lay your salmon fillets in, skin side down. Don't mess about with them. Let them sizzle away for 3 to 4 minutes. You want that skin to go beautifully crisp. When the edges start to turn opaque, flip them over gently. Another 2 minutes on the other side is all it needs. Don't overcook it. Salmon's best when it's still a little blushing pink in the middle. While that's finishing up, toss together a quick salad. I'm thinking media group. Preparing salad with rocket and cherry tomatoes, fresh rocket and cherry tomatoes in bowl, stock and distribute equally. Rocket, cherry tomatoes, maybe a few olives if you've got them. Drizzle with olive oil and a bit more lemon juice. Plate up your salmon, lay it right on top of the salad, and finish with a final squeeze of lemon. That's it. You've got the crispiest, most delicious Stek salmon that'll wow anyone lucky enough to get a bite. Remember, cooking's all about having fun and trying new things. So don't be shy. Give this a go tonight and let me know how you get on. If you enjoyed this little session, like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Cheers and happy cooking.